4, and we're gonna bomb this into this, like, oh my gosh, this small city. Well, yes, I'm serious. This big truck, yes, this big, no, not big. Oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, yes, this big city. Well, that's like, I'm showing them from a drone. Now he's like, no, come on. Okay, so technically we're gonna do it in 3, 2, 1, go. Well, that did nothing. Well, okay, let's restart that round. Well, level 2. Big London bus. Okay. Is there any damage? Let's see. Is there any damage? Wow, there is a little damage. Not too much. Oh, okay, let's fix it here. Okay, 3. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that did do some damage. Well, that did do some damage. That's all the stuff that followed. So it looks like, but this, oh, well, that's my roof. This is a hotel, and this guy's just chilling here and looking at the news how his city is being destructed. So I think so this guy needs to get a payback. And for the payback, we are gonna get a Lego set. I built this, and if this breaks, I'm gonna be angry. And it's a taxi car. Pizza, okay. Let's go. No. Okay, so in here, this guy, and then here's the truck in 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. What? How did that motel survive? Oh my gosh. That is weird. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Again, it kind of survived. Well, it did get a lot of damage. So, bye-bye. And if you live there, sorry.